doing today is we are working ground. So basically what we're doing here is we're loosening up the soil particles and getting rid of any weeds that are in the field. And this is all in preparation for planting, and that's the time when we put our crop in the ground. So a unique feature about this tractor here is it's actually driving itself right now. So I don't have any hands on the steering wheel. See my hands right here, and the other one's holding the camera. And it's all controlled through this screen right here. And that controls basically the whole steering of the tractor. So that's kind of a pretty cool feature of some of the things that are in the cabs of farmers' tractors. So now we're going to stop here and I'll show you what we're pulling. So back there you can see this is called a field conditioner, and as you can see it's lifting out of the ground right there. We'll go out here and I'll show you what's going on. So right there you can see the tractor. That's the part that's pulling the implement, which is right here. And basically what this is, the implement right here is doing, it has these pieces right here. These are called shovels, and basically they just take the dirt and they lift it up and flip it over and drop it back down, and that gets rid of any weeds that are in the ground, and it also loosens up the soil so it will dry out. So that's what we're doing out here in this field today. We got this big field here to do. There's the tractor right there once again. So thanks for taking a look, guys.